Today, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate balloon bowls. Oh yeah. All right, so what we have here is we have some water balloons. Water balloons are thicker, so make sure you use water balloons. I have 12 ounces of chocolate here. This is semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you could use whatever kind of chocolate that you want. I have about a tablespoon of oil. This is going to help thin out our chocolate and make it easier to dip. We're going to start by melting our chocolate. I'm going to do this in the microwave, burst of 30 seconds, and then stir, 30 seconds, stir until it's nice and melted. Let's go ahead and add in our oil to our chocolate. And now let's go ahead and melt this. What we want to do is we want to just create a little base. So I'm going to come over here and make a nice little round base. You want to make sure your chocolate is not too hot, because if it is, it will probably pop your balloon and then chocolate will fly all over you. So then we go ahead and just take one of our balloons and we're gonna go stick it right inside our chocolate and just go straight down with it. And then come up. And then we'll put it right on there like that. So there we go, we got our bowls ready to go. Let's just go ahead and put these in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes so the chocolate can firm up. Now we have the fun part after we take them out of the fridge is you take a knife and you go ahead and poke it. And then you're gonna come in here and you're gonna take out the extra balloon. There you go, do that with the rest of them. And now we wanna fill it up with whatever you wanna do. You could do like M&Ms, like a bowl of M&Ms or other kind of different chocolates. I'm gonna do ice cream. You could do whipped cream and put in berries. But yes, let's do some ice cream. I'm gonna take some strawberry sauce, some nuts.